People think DevOps is this loosey-goosey kind of crazy thing and people do whatever they want. It's kind of cowboy-esque, but it couldn't be anything further from the truth. DevOps provides exceptional governance. In order for DevOps to be successful, there are three things that need to be done. They have to understand exactly how they're collecting feedback. One of the principles of DevOps is not only to eliminate waste, but it's also to react very quickly to whether we were successful in this small iterative change in which we put out in place. So feedback loops are really critical. And so ITSM professionals need to challenge the way they've traditionally taken feedback and brought that all the way back to, are we doing the right things? Reporting monthly, quarterly, weekly, or even daily isn't good enough. It needs to be more real time. The other second thing they have to do is they have to think about how knowledge is captured. State of their configuration is going to change rapidly. It may change thousands of times throughout the course of a day or a week. And so unlike traditional knowledge where they may go back and update some kind of record or put in some information about how something was changed or altered, it needs to be automatic. It needs to be embedded into the code, and it needs to be at a software-defined perspective. And the third component is to really focus on what are small iterative changes. We can't focus on change release in a traditional fashion of going in front of a change advisory board or asking a bunch of people for approval. Changes are going to happen very quickly and they're very small, so we need to think about logging. How do we log changes instead of approve changes? That's how we're going to provide more governance, because really governance is all about, are we doing the right things in the right way? If we're logging these things, we're collecting the feedback, we're instantly knowing, are we doing the right thing? So we're actually getting governance in a real-time fashion, unlike we've traditionally done, which is we go back after the last week or the last month and make corrective actions. We're making corrective actions real time. So DevOps absolutely improves governance.